How to download and install Betika app on your iPhone. I'm gonna guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, you can head over to your app store. Currently, I'm using my Android phone, so I'll head over to my Play Store. After you're in the store, tap on the search bar and search for Betika app. You will see the app with this kind of logo at the top, but this app is not available in my region, so it is not showing up here. So what you can do is you can head over to your preferred web browser. The download process is pretty much similar in iPhone and Android. On your web browser, search for Betika app. You can even navigate to its web interface. Head over to its website and you'll see this kind of interface. From here you can use the Betika, or else when you search for Betika app in your web browser, if you scroll down, over here you'll see the link of the app to your App Store or Google Play Store. So if it is available in your region, if you tap on it, you will see the install button in the Android or get button in your iPhone. As this is not available in my country right now, I don't have the options to download it. But if you are on your iPhone, you can simply tap on the get button and the download process will begin. You might have to wait for a few moments until the download process completes. So that's a very easy process to download and install Betika app on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.